Hey guys, and welcome to a new video. So, first of all, hey, wait a second. We don't even have a webcam. Wait, video capture device. Yes, do it. Get me in. Hello? Ah! Hey there! Let's see. Nice. Hey, and welcome again. So, we're here in my office, and I have to look in the camera, not on the screen. Yeah, I will try. Okay. This video is actually meant for all those guys like me that are users and not like guys that are selling this kind of stuff. Why is this so shaky and laggy? Yeah, never mind. We're gonna fix it later. I was buying something and I want to give you my just tell you what struggles I had and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, we are here in Open Broadcaster software, better said the Streamlabs OBS. I don't want to go into detail on what the software does because if you're a streamer or at least thought of streaming, you would sooner or later come across the Open Broadcaster software. So the first thing we want to do is actually try to get our green screen going. And when everything is said and done, I will actually try to tell you on what kind of stuff I struggled. Let's see, color correction, no, we want chroma key. So here we can change a little bit on the settings. But first of all, I want to fix the camera. So let's go into the camera options, make it custom. And let's go for 1080p, looks good. We go for MJPEG, so it's not that laggy. We got a full color range, great, seems good. Now we're gonna transform and fit it to screen. This is better. Okay, so what we've done here is we have applied a filter on our webcam on OBS, okay? So if we right click and click on filters, you see we have here the green screen, and here we can also make some settings about the contrast, maybe a little bit darker, gamma, I don't know. It's some fine tuning. With the similarity, you can actually make it even, you see what's going on, right? So you need to find a good level, so you are fine and the screen behind me is fine, but normally he does it himself, so he chooses to have 480, which is actually pretty fine, because if I go lower the screen will be snowish, and if I go higher than 400 this looks actually pretty cool. Never mind, so let's put it back to 400. And smoothness is also if it's like, sometimes I really miss the English words, but come on, snowy, it's like very pixely, and if we go up it will smoothen it out until I'm almost gone again. So I think we're gonna keep this at level 50 or something, or even 100. Yeah, my hair is a little bit gone. So yeah, we have our green screen here. The next thing is, for scaling the webcam, we are going to crop it. Crop it means just, cut it. Holding down the Alt key, and then we can move it over. No! And yeah, we're gonna try to... we can actually just get our filter, disable it for a second. So we only have the green screen available, maybe a little bit here, top doesn't really matter. Let's enable the green screen again, there we go. Now we're gonna add a game source, for example, or a display capture. We're going to place the video below the webcam. Works. So now we're gonna scale down the webcam a little bit. No, that's the wrong one, oh my god. Video capture device, there you go. Now we can actually just play around with the settings, and I don't know, I think the middle one is actually a pretty good place. But now I want to go through the stuff that actually was kind of hard to achieve. So basically you can have the best material of green screen, if the lighting doesn't work properly then it will suck, really. Because I tried it. Play around with the settings for like 2 or 3 hours and I still couldn't get it done. That's why I used a lot of tutorials and tried to get it done. Now this is actually cool because the background, god damn it, the background of this app is green, so you see what's happening in here. This is actually pretty cool. Nice. Anyways, so what this does is we're gonna start it. So you see what's happening. It actually checks for green spots or whatever color you choose, and then it sees the lightning, okay? And if I tap on something right here, I don't know if I can even... this? this, or it will get transparent again because it's green. Put the camera where your webcam is, and you just let it look to the green screen. And then you see some darker areas, wider areas, what you wouldn't even see with your own eye, because when I look at this green screen, you know, everything is fine, you know. Film the green screen and then you just play around with the light, so everything turns green on the app. And you have no brighter spots. Brighter means it's too light, you know, so you put the light a little bit far away, and then you just try around. And if everything is said and done and the app says, yeah, green screen is okay now, then you can actually just go in at the filter and everything will be done. The lightning part is the hardest part. That's about it. I hope you liked the video. If so, like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yeah, we're gonna see if the stream is going to increase in views in the next days, because tomorrow evening is the league start, and I'm going to make a streaming marathon about 7 or 10 days with about 15 hours a day, so I'll be quite online a lot on streams. I would really appreciate if you check it out and pass a high or something, because actually we got about 3, 4 or 5 viewers in average, and yeah, maybe you want to stop by and yeah, say hello. Thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching, see you on the next video.